Faith is a knowledge within the heart, beyond the reach of proof. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings of the day. We all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has engulfed the entire world and has caused more deaths than World War I and II put together. In this horrifying situation, our doctors are working day and night as the frontline corona warriors, and we feel a deep sense of gratitude for their relentless service to mankind. We salute these brave hearts and wish them a very happy Doctors' Day, along with our beloved students who also want to wish the doctors and supporting medical staffs on this special occasion.
During this pandemic situation, when doctors are working day and night for us, we, the students of St. Karen's Secondary School, salute all their efforts. Caring for patients in such an intensive threat has been excruciating for you all. Usually, some are unconscious on a catheter that needs regular changing, and if they breathe their last, you all are there holding their hands to help them during this difficult period. The constant need to keep people up to date with COVID medical updates sometimes can be
See the evil guy, receiving and breaking bad news when there is no socializing or outside work. To refresh and recharge all these factors can be very difficult at times. But you all are so brave to deal with these situations. Also updating families and relatives about the progress and medical situation about their beloved ones is the most difficult task. Any good news in this pandemic is rare, but you guys never lose your calm.
COVID-19 has presented with a situation that has been unforeseen and unusual, and all the support of yours is what giving us strength. You all are great. Going outside daily and risking your life is not easy. Even though you know that you are risking your life every day by going outside, but you are not ready to give up, and that's what inspiring each one of us. COVID-19 has
It's immense to see the services that you have provided. We all are safe, and the credit goes to all the frontline warriors. It feels extremely great to see you all working tirelessly for the service of the nation.
It is necessary to appreciate the spirit of your work and your support to the administration without any celebrations. You warriors and your work is appreciated by each one of us. It is
We are the
necessary
students of St. Karen's Secondary School, 12F. We would like to appeal people all around to please stay home and be safe. Also, we should appreciate whenever we see any corona warrior to boost their morals. Let us be kinder to one another. Thank you, doctors.
Hi, this year is full of ups and downs. Many are died, many are still fighting with death. But among these all issues, what we missed is a large number of patients that are already recovered due to the continuous effort of doctors and health workers. So to all of you working as a wall between us and Corona, this is a heartwarming wish of Happy Doctors' Day and a big thank you.